morning, children. Yesterday we studied top, bottom and on, under. I hope you all understood. Let's start today's topic. In front of and behind. In front of and behind. In front of means something is in front of particular thing. In front of means something is in front of particular thing. See the picture. The cup is in front of the ball. The cup is in front of the ball. See the cup. Behind. Behind means the back of something. Behind means to the back of something. Example, the ball is behind the cup. The ball is behind the cup. See the ball. Look at this picture. The dog is in front of the house. The dog is in front of the house and the tree is behind the house and the tree is behind the house. See the dog. The dog is in front of the house and the tree is behind the house. Let's see one more example. Look at the picture. The man is in front of the car. The man is in front of the car and the tree is behind the car. The tree is behind the car. So my dear children, observe the given picture and put tick mark for correct relationship. The man is in front of the car. Tick the circle of the in front. And the tree is behind the car. So tick the circle of the behind. Now next topic is inside and outside. Inside. Inside means the inner part of something. Inside means the inner part of something. See the picture. The books are inside the box. The books are inside the box. Outside. Outside means the outer side of something. Outside means the outer side of something. The books are outside the box. The books are outside the box. See the books. Look at this picture. The girl is standing inside the house. The girl is standing inside the house. See the girl. And the boy is standing outside the house. The boy is standing outside the house. Look at the P. Some seats are inside. Some seats are inside and some seats are outside. Observe the given picture and put a tick mark for correct relationship. Some seats are inside. Tick the circle of the inside. And some seats are outside. Tick the circle of the outside. Have you understood the concept? Now class is over. Thank you.